This year, laptop manufacturers have pushed boundaries with cutting-edge processors, stunning displays, and AI-driven features that enhance productivity and performance. From ultra-lightweight ultrabooks to powerhouse gaming rigs, we've rounded up the 5 best laptops of 2024 to help you find the perfect match for your needs. Let's dive into the top contenders that stand out in terms of design, performance, battery life, and value. Intro: 5 Best Laptops of 2024, Top Picks for Performance, Portability, and Power. Choosing the right laptop in 2024 can be overwhelming with so many options catering to different needs, whether you're a gamer, content creator, student, or professional. HP 14-inch ultralight laptop, a perfect choice for students and business professionals. In today's fast-paced world, having a reliable and portable laptop is essential for both students and business professionals. The HP 14 Ultralight laptop is a budget-friendly yet powerful option that balances performance, portability, and efficiency. Equipped with an Intel quad-core processor, 8GB RAM, and 192GB storage, 64GB eMMC, 128GB Ghost Manta SD card. This laptop is designed to handle everyday tasks smoothly. It also includes Windows 11s and a 1-year subscription to Microsoft Office 365, making it a great all-in-one solution for work, studies, and productivity. Key features: 1. Lightweight and portable design. Weighing just under 4 pounds, the HP 14-inch laptop is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Whether you're a student rushing between classes or a business professional on the go, its compact design ensures maximum convenience without compromising performance. 2. Reliable performance with Intel quad-core processor. Powered by an Intel quad-core processor, this laptop delivers smooth multitasking, allowing users to browse the web, work on documents, and stream videos efficiently. While it may not be suited for heavy gaming or intensive video editing, it's more than capable of handling daily productivity tasks. Sufficient memory and storage. With 8GB RAM, the laptop provides seamless multitasking without slowing down. The 192GB storage, 64GB eMMC, 128GB Ghost Manta SD card, ensures that users have ample space for important files, documents, and media. Although eMMC storage isn't as fast as an SSD, it offers quick boot times and efficient operation for everyday tasks. Windows 11s mode for security and speed. The laptop comes with Windows 11s, a streamlined version of Windows that is optimized for security and performance. While S mode limits app installations to those from the Microsoft Store, users have the option to switch to standard Windows 11 for greater flexibility. USB-C and other essential connectivity options. The laptop features a USB-C port, allowing for faster data transfer and easy connectivity with modern peripherals. Other ports include USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack, ensuring compatibility with a variety of devices. USB-C and other essential connectivity options. The laptop features a USB-C port, allowing for faster data transfer and easy connectivity with modern peripherals. Other ports include USB-A, HDMI, and a headphone jack, ensuring compatibility with a variety of devices. Final verdict: the HP 14-inch ultralight laptop is a budget-friendly and reliable choice for students and professionals who need a lightweight, portable device for daily tasks. While it may not be built for heavy gaming or high-end creative work, it excels in productivity, efficiency, and affordability. With Windows 11s, a free Office 365 subscription, and solid performance, this laptop offers excellent value for those looking for an entry-level yet capable machine. Who should buy the HP 14-inch ultralight laptop? This laptop is ideal for white heavy checkmark students, perfect for note-taking, online classes, research, and assignments. White heavy checkmark business professionals, great for emails, presentations. HP 15.6-inch portable laptop review, a budget-friendly performer with essential features. In the ever-evolving world of laptops, finding an affordable yet reliable device can be a challenge. The HP 15.6-inch portable laptop stands out as a solid option for budget-conscious users seeking a balance between performance and portability. With a sleek red design, this laptop not only delivers essential computing power but also adds a touch of style to your workspace. Here's an in-depth look at what makes this. Key specifications: display, 15.6-inch HD display, processor, Intel quad-core N200, memory, 16 GB RAM, storage, 128 GB, connectivity, Wi-Fi 5, HDMI, extras, webcam, numeric keypad, operating system, Windows 11 Home, subscription, includes 1-year Microsoft 365. Performance and processing power. Equipped with an Intel quad-core N200 processor, this laptop ensures smooth performance for basic computing tasks such as document editing, web browsing, and media consumption. The 16 GB RAM allows for seamless multitasking, reducing lag when switching between applications. While not designed for heavy gaming or advanced video editing, it efficiently handles day-to-day operations. Performance and processing power. Equipped with an Intel quad-core N200 processor, this laptop ensures smooth performance for basic computing tasks such as document editing, web browsing, and media consumption. The 16 GB RAM allows for seamless multitasking, reducing lag when switching between applications. While not designed for heavy gaming or advanced video editing, it efficiently handles day-to-day operations. Connectivity and additional features. For seamless connectivity, the HP 15.6-inch portable laptop is equipped with Wi-Fi 5, ensuring stable internet access. The HD webcam makes it a suitable choice for video conferencing and online classes. Additionally, the presence of an HDMI port allows users to connect to external displays or projectors with ease. The numeric keypad is a welcome feature for students and professionals who frequently work with numbers. Battery life and portability. Designed for portability, this HP laptop offers a lightweight build without compromising essential features. The battery life is sufficient for a full work or school day, though exact performance may vary based on usage. It's an ideal companion for those who need a reliable device for on-the-go productivity. Who should buy this laptop? This HP 15.6-inch portable laptop is best suited for students needing a budget-friendly laptop for studies and assignments, professionals looking for an affordable work laptop for emails, presentations, and multitasking, casual users who need a dependable device for web browsing, streaming, and daily computing. Conclusion: the HP 15.6-inch portable laptop strikes a great balance between affordability and performance, making it a suitable option for users who require a simple yet efficient device. With its Intel quad-core N200 processor, 16 GB RAM, HD display, and essential connectivity features, it offers great value for everyday tasks. Plus, the inclusion of a 1-year Microsoft 365 subscription adds even more utility, ensuring users have access to essential productivity tools right out of the box. If you're in the market for a stylish, budget-friendly laptop with essential features, HP Pavilion 15.6-inch HD touchscreen anti-glare laptop, a perfect blend of power and portability. In today's fast-paced digital world, a reliable laptop is essential for work, study, and entertainment. The HP Pavilion 15.6-inch HD touchscreen anti-glare laptop is an excellent choice for those who need a powerful yet portable device. Equipped with a high-performance Intel Core processor, up to 4.1 GHz, 16 GB RAM, and a 1 TB SSD, this laptop is designed to handle multitasking with ease. Performance and processing power. At the heart of this laptop lies an Intel Core processor, capable of reaching speeds up to 4.1 GHz. Whether you're handling demanding applications, working on multiple projects simultaneously, or enjoying multimedia entertainment, this processor ensures smooth and efficient performance. The 16 GB RAM enhances system responsiveness, allowing for seamless multitasking without lag. Storage and speed. The 1 TB SSD provides ample storage space for all your files, applications, and multimedia content. Unlike traditional HDDs, an SSD significantly improves boot-up speed, data transfer rates, and overall system performance. This ensures that you can access files and applications in a fraction of the time. Display and touchscreen capabilities. The 15.6-inch HD touchscreen offers an interactive and immersive experience. The anti-glare technology ensures that you can use the laptop comfortably in various lighting conditions without straining your eyes. Whether you're browsing the web, editing documents, or streaming videos, the display delivers crisp and clear visuals. Connectivity and ports. With a Type-C port, HDMI, and multiple USB ports, connectivity is never an issue. You can easily connect to external displays, peripherals, and other devices without hassle. The HDMI port allows you to connect the laptop to larger screens, making it an excellent choice for presentations and entertainment purposes. Battery life. One of the standout features of the HP Pavilion 15.6 inch is its long battery life, lasting up to 11 hours on a single charge. Whether you're traveling, working remotely, or attending classes, you can rely on this laptop to keep up with your daily tasks without constantly searching for a power outlet. Battery life. Operating system. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, offering a modern and intuitive interface with enhanced security features. Windows 11 optimizes productivity with features like snap layouts, virtual desktops, and a streamlined start menu. Sleek and stylish design. Finished in a sophisticated silver color, this laptop not only performs well but also looks premium. The slim and lightweight design makes it easy to carry, ensuring maximum portability for users on the go. Final verdict. The HP Pavilion 15.6-inch HD touchscreen anti-glare laptop is a well-rounded device that excels in performance, storage, and battery life. Whether you need a laptop for professional work, HP Portable Laptop, a budget-friendly choice for students and professionals, in today's fast-paced world, having a reliable and budget-friendly laptop is crucial for students and business professionals alike. The HP Portable Laptop is a perfect blend of affordability, functionality, and portability. With a 14-inch HD display, an Intel Quad-Core N4120 processor, 8GB DDR4 RAM, and 64GB eMMC storage, this laptop is designed to handle everyday tasks with ease. Performance and efficiency. At the heart of this HP laptop is the Intel Quad-Core N4120 processor, offering decent performance for web browsing, word processing, and light multitasking. Coupled with 8GB DDR4 RAM, users can experience smooth performance while working on documents, attending virtual meetings, or streaming content. Compact and portable design. Weighing just a few pounds, this laptop is highly portable, making it an excellent choice for students who need to carry it between classes or professionals who travel frequently. The 14-inch HD display delivers clear visuals, making it ideal for study sessions, business meetings, or entertainment. Adequate storage and cloud integration. With 64GB eMMC storage, this laptop provides sufficient space for essential files and applications. Additionally, users can take advantage of cloud storage solutions and external drives for extra space. The inclusion of 1-year Office 365 subscription adds value, ensuring access to Microsoft Office apps for productivity. Connectivity and versatility. The HP Portable Laptop features various connectivity options, including RJ45 Ethernet, HDMI, Wi-Fi, and a webcam for seamless video conferencing. Whether you need to connect to a wired network, share your screen on a projector, or attend virtual classes, this laptop is well equipped to meet your needs. Operating system and battery life. Running on Windows 11 Home, this laptop offers a modern interface, enhanced security features, and improved performance optimizations. The battery life is sufficient for a full day of moderate use, ensuring productivity without constant recharging. Conclusion. For students and business professionals looking for an affordable, lightweight, and efficient laptop, the HP Portable Laptop is a solid choice. With reliable performance, essential connectivity features, and a compact design, this device provides excellent value for everyday computing tasks. HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView Laptop Review, a budget-friendly choice for everyday use. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a reliable and affordable laptop is essential for students, professionals, and casual users alike. The HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView laptop is designed to meet these needs by offering a balance of portability, performance, and affordability. HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView Laptop Review. a budget-friendly choice for everyday use. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a reliable and affordable laptop is essential for students, professionals, and casual users alike. The HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView laptop is designed to meet these needs by offering a balance of portability, performance, and affordability. HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView laptop review, a budget-friendly choice for everyday use. In today's fast-paced digital world, having a reliable and affordable laptop is essential for students, professionals, and casual users alike. The HP Stream 14-inch HD BrightView laptop is designed to meet these needs by offering a balance of portability, performance, and affordability. With its Intel Celeron N4120 processor, 16GB RAM, and 288GB storage, 128GB eMMC 160GB docking station set, this laptop is well suited for basic computing tasks, web browsing, and productivity applications. With its Intel Celeron N4120 processor, 16GB RAM, and 288GB storage, 128GB eMMC 160GB docking station set, this laptop is well suited for basic computing tasks, web browsing, and productivity applications. Performance, processor, Intel Celeron N4120, quad-core, up to 2.6 GHz, RAM, 16GB DDR4, ensuring smooth multitasking, storage, 128GB eMMC 160GB docking station set, ideal for storing documents, media, and essential applications, graphics, Intel UHD graphics, suitable for streaming, light gaming, and everyday use. Connectivity and features, webcam, 720p HD webcam, great for video calls and virtual meetings, wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi support for seamless internet access, operating system, Windows 11 S mode, optimized for security and performance, Microsoft Office 365, 1-year subscription included, making it a great choice for students and professionals who rely on Office apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Connectivity and features, performance and usability. The Intel Celeron N4120 processor is designed for basic computing tasks such as browsing the web, streaming videos, and handling documents. Paired with 16GB of RAM, users can enjoy smooth multitasking without major slowdowns. The Intel UHD graphics allows for casual gaming and video playback, though it's not meant for intensive graphic design or gaming. The inclusion of Windows 11 S mode ensures security and streamlined performance, though users who need to install apps outside the Microsoft Store may need to switch out of S mode. The 1-year Office 365 subscription adds significant value, making it an excellent choice for students and professionals.